community.
Yeah.
Community, being able to share our creative eyes, experience.
For me, it's different.
For you, it's different?
I mean that, but then also for me, like to learn and like, because I've never really, like I'm newer.
Not new?
I'm pretty new. I'm new. So for me, it's to learn and to like see how somebody else shoots and then get ideas for like how to be better.
Yeah. Job. Yeah, so when I'm shooting Mel, there's obviously people behind her, like that girl that's doing kickbacks. Steph's gonna move, that's okay. Back in frame, Mel. I'm gonna move over here so that I don't have anyone like behind her. And I like to shoot like in the gym, I like to shoot like hero shots, which is I'm shooting down, looking up at the athlete. Especially in the gym, I think like that's flattering because obviously in the gym, they work hard for their muscles. They're like the hero of their shots. So hero shots it is. I'm shooting with a Sony a7S III paired with the Sony 28-70 2.0. I used this kit because I do have the FX3, but it's kitted out for more of like a vlog style, so it's hard for me to shoot portrait where I use my S3 for like Instagram videos more often. Like it's nice and light, versatile, and same with the lens because it's 28 wide enough and I can zoom in. And that 2.0 f2 2.0 is great in here because some places are like too like dark, so that's why I went with this today. So this, with these settings, because it's 1/640, I can like really slow it down like a lot. And I will put what that looks like on the screen. Over the shoulder. I'm gonna get over the shoulder. Boom. Nice job.
We love our mirror shots.
That's because
That's the Steph way.
Mel is jacked. I don't think you guys know how
Like, is Mel on
jacked.
prep? We don't know. I know, but you could be.
Mel is jacked.
Look at how jacked she is. Look at your chest. Crazy.
That's right. Mel's jacked. I love it.
It's great.
No.
You probably feel great. Yeah. You look great. Look great, feel great.
Time
Oh,
for
yeah.
proposing? 106, so we got 20 minutes-ish. Go, nice. Posing by the bay doors. I'm gonna do one portrait video. As I do these really interesting video portraits. And good, nice. Now we can go all the way back.
You may go all the way back.
You may go to the door.
Thank you. Just for me. Just a couple.
Just open the door. Goodbye. Goodbye.
I never knew that door even opened. Bye.
See ya. This is a spot that everybody likes.
This is the famous pure
spot.
muscle spot.
I wonder who was the first person. Probably Antoine.
No, you think?
Oh,
Maybe
yeah.
Quentin?
No, I think Antoine. Antoine was here at the gym before Quentin.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Boom, baby.
Good job.
Terrible. Who does that on the same hand? That's why it was so awkward. No, yeah, I don't know. Oh my gosh! What a mess. Because everybody's like,
I know. Ooh, you've got soul. Don't cut that. Cut that. Shut that door. That was great.
that was really
Amazing.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
It's true. It's true.
Thank you. Have a good night. Love that. What are you shooting with?
I don't even know.
I don't even know anymore.
Okay, 30 seconds or less.
Okay.
Shooting with and why?
The Sony A17 Mark II with the 50mm G Master 1.4. I love it. This is it.
It's your baby.
This is my baby. Laura gave me her 35mm today, and I was like, no.
No, just didn't feel right.
And it didn't feel right. So yeah,
Yeah.
I love it. It's just buttery and smooth bouquet. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then maybe next set, do you want to try to do the?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. All the way up. You don't have to get that.
I'm like, dang. I don't need this on pictures.
Whoa! Jesus!
Nice.
You're saving that. That was great.
I know.
Look at the triceps. Put it away. Put them away.
I wish I knew better lines, like you know those ones that the people say. Like,
The people.
do you have something to hold those guns?
Yeah, you know what? If you're taking photos on your phone,
Wipe it
just
wipe
like
it.
this, like this.
Just wipe
Yeah,
it
yeah.
anywhere. Just wipe it.
Anywhere, your butt, and then boom, it's clean. And then you.
You're not in a
streaks.
sauna. You're not in a sauna.
Sauna.
Sauna. Thank you.
Get it.
Yeah, you're good.
Let's go to the other side. Here we go. Here we go. All right, we like this back machine. I do like this one.
I do like this one.
This is a good one.
This is a good one. For the cue there to start.
Oh shit, yeah. Get some here, and then I'm gonna go right to your back. Going. Oh. That looks really good.
We're just doing a full close down here.
A little Christmas tree action for Christmas. Okay, we're gonna go over to the dumbbells now. Let's do some arms. 140. That's because you can like slow it down. If I'm shooting 120 frames per second with 1/64, that is slow. I'll get to slow this down to like 10%. Oh my God. And then I just use it for like a transition clip in between, or like a break in like the music. Good work, guys. I'm gonna bring his stuff to the locker room.
That was for the 5th person of the day, that was a lot.
Yes.
That was a lot.
It was a lot. A lot of what?
Mental stimulation.
Yes.
And if you could give advice to some newbies on how to deal with mental stimulation or turbulation when they're trying to be creative. Gary.
Sometimes you have to just let them do their thing, even if, like, do you know what I mean? Because like he said we could do anything, but then he had his own direction. What I do is I let them do their thing, and then I still ask them to do my shot at the end of their shot.
Yes.
Because I think like sometimes they just want to do what they want to do, and
They
that's
got poses.
fine.
They got their favorite poses
Yeah.
and what they think in their head.
Yeah.
They got their own Pinterest board,
Yeah.
mood board in their head, and
But sometimes I selfishly take one or two for me.
of course, yeah.
Because I'm like, okay, well,
And then that probably ends up being like their favorite shots anyway.
Yeah.
So for some advice for people who are looking to do photo shoots, yes, come with a mood board and like a shot.
Yeah, come
in
with
their
a
head.
vision of
But-
some sort.
Yeah, but then also trust your photographer, creative that you're paying for.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
they probably have a plan of their own.
Yeah,
in
and
their
they
head.
probably shot a million times
Yeah.
at wherever you're
in the
shooting.
location and
Yeah.
So it's a collaboration.
It is a collaboration.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Collaboration.
That was great. Yes.
Deal.
Yes. Or you could. What about?
And break. No. I don't
Okay.
know.
Oh, okay.
I feel like she would look like that,
Okay.
but I don't know.
Oh, and we lost all music.
We lost all of it.
At the worst time for us. At the worst time for us. This is it. This is the end.
This is the end.
And they said no music.
You must ride it out alone.
Ride it out.
I think I need another battery. I think I need a battery. I think I need another battery.
I mean, I do appreciate this slow hold. Gotta say.
Appreciate the slow hold.
I like the slow hold.
Make sure we're breathing through our mouth.
I'm gonna say you have to put yourself out there. Like there's an element of being uncomfortable. Even for me, again, I was telling Laura this. I actually didn't like to like small talk or meet new people. I honestly hated it. But to get good in this industry, you have to put yourself out there in
to be
some way.
uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I do not like talking in front of the camera. I stutter, and I stutter with my clients. I stutter talking like this.
Yep.
Just being uncomfortable, putting yourself out there. I tell if a photographer wants to shoot gym content, make sure they have their camera on them all the time. Whether they're shooting themselves, you're asking people, hey, like, can I just take a quick photo of you, like, for practice for yourself,
Yeah.
not even wanting to get that person as a
client.
You're just showing that you're here,
Yeah.
and you're showing that you have a camera, that you are a photographer, you want to learn, you want to take photos
Yeah.
of people, like,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
that could be if you're a gym photographer, if you're an auto photographer,
Anything.
like, make sure you have your camera on you.
Yeah. And just like I said, you gotta just put yourself out there.
Put yourself out there.
It sucks. It sucks.
It's comfortable.
It's very uncomfortable. But
it's
then
okay.
once you, like I was saying to Laura, the more you do it, the easier it is. And now I'm like, I roll up to shoots. I'm like, I could get killed here. I could get killed. And then it ends up being the best shoot ever, right?
Yeah. Be uncomfortable. It's okay,
Yeah.
kids.
Right. Oh, Laura. Wait, is this really ugly?
No, I like it. It's the day full. You know?
What does my hair look like? Where did you look? I see what I look like. I can see in the corner there.
Okay, well, we started at 8 a.m.
8 a.m.
and it is now 4:30. Pretty good. We did 6 clients
Yeah.
today total. Mostly were actually females. We had one male.
Which is interesting for
Interesting.
you.
I know, because I shoot
because-
mainly
yes.
like
Men.
all guys,
And I
all
shoot
men.
all women.
I know, which is maybe why that's how it worked out.
Maybe. Yeah, I don't know.
And again, I don't do gym minis, so
Yeah.
it was just.
Interesting. It was good. Honestly,
really
it was
good.
super fun. I think we worked well
I
together.
thought it was really good to have Steph here because
Yeah.
it's so hard to do
It is.
this many hours
By yourself.
that many clients alone. Because
Yeah.
you need someone to like
You
feed
need
off
the
of like
energy.
energy.
And it's kind of nice because like when Laura was talking, like I could have a break.
Yeah.
And then vice versa.
So I was like, thank you,
Yeah.
you, please,
This is for you.
please step up. No.
Please do what you need to
Please
do.
help
Yeah.
hold us,
Hold us together.
bring us through. No, this was great.
It was really fun.
I hope we can collab like more
Yeah,
in the future.
definitely.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah.
This was fun.
It was really fun. Love
Hopefully,
it.
yeah.
It was great.
Follow Steph at
Blackstone Media _, but it's spelled with a V.
so put it
I'll
somewhere.
put it on the screen.
Put it on somewhere.
Put it somewhere.
And elevatedvisions.film. Elevated Vision. So yeah, thank you. I know. I was hoping you would